I'll be showing you how to add or remove the wireless debugging quick settings shortcut on your Samsung Galaxy S24. So to do that, we'll need to first of all enable developer options. So go to settings and then scroll down to about phone and then go to software information and then go to build number and tap on that 7 times. Put in your password, the correct one, and that's going to enable developer options. So now to access these developer options, go back to the main settings page, scroll down and you should see developer options. Now inside developer options, we're going to be looking for quick settings developer tiles. So you can either scroll to look for it, or you can just use the search function. Okay, the search is faster, so let's go to quick settings. And this is what we want, quick settings developer tiles. So tap on that. It's going to take you where it is. So you can now tap on it. And from here, you can enable wireless debugging. Now these are all quick settings tiles that you can add to your Galaxy S24. But since you want wireless debugging, go ahead and enable it. Now once you enable it, you should now be able to see it when you go to your quick settings. So you have that wireless debugging quick setting tile there. From here, you can enable and disable wireless debugging. Okay, now to remove that shortcut, just turn that off. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.